In this video, you will learn how to read this. The second most common scale is the minor scale. Just like the major scale, it has one and only one note with each letter name. Each minor scale has a relative major scale with the same sharps or flats. So E minor has one sharp, just like its relative major, which is G major. So how do you find a minor scale's relative major? You go up 3 half steps. So with E minor, you go up 3 half steps from the note E to the note G. G major has one sharp, which is the F sharp. So does E minor. Let us do a few more. D minor. Go up 3 half steps from the note D to the note F. So D minor is the relative minor of F major. F major has one flat, which is B flat. So D minor has a B flat. How about G sharp minor? Go up 3 half steps from the note G sharp to the note B. B major has 5 sharps. So add the sharps to G sharp minor. Remember the order of sharps? Remember to use one of the helpful phrases. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, which is already there, D sharp, and A sharp. Let us do one more. B flat minor. Go up 3 half steps to the note D flat. Why not C sharp? When you go up 3 half steps, you have to go up 3 letters also. D flat major has 5 flats. They are B, E, A, D, and G. So put them on the B flat minor scale. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.